Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and this is week 2 of my FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips 30-day challenge, where I'm going to be using the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips for 30 days. Each week, I'm going to be sharing my weekly before and afters from using one set of settings from 1 week so you can see which kind of results you can achieve in a full real-time tutorial. Make sure you check the timestamps below if you want to jump anywhere in this video. And during this challenge, I'm also doing an international giveaway, so you can win a FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips. So to enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and all the videos from this series will be 4 videos. At the end of this challenge, I'm going to choose a winner from the comments. FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips is a microcurrent device that combines microcurrent with T-sonic pulsations. It has 2 different types of microcurrents and 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations. Also watch week 1 where I talked about the eye muscle and I give more information about the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips. On today's video, I'm going to focus on week 2 settings. Now let's go over week 2 settings. Make sure you register your device so you can access the menu. And we're using the Smart Control menu for this challenge. The Smart Control menu allows us to choose both the T-sonic pulsations as well as the type of microcurrent. The Smart Control menu is underneath the setting menu, so select Smart Control menu and make sure that you have your Bluetooth selected to access the menu. Once you're in the menu, for the T-sonic pulsation, we're going to be continuing with intensity 1. But for the type of T-sonic pulsation, I'm using the deep tissue massage. Uses deep pressure at slow intervals to relieve tension in facial muscles. Is good for the cheeks and above the jawline. It goes deeper to release the muscle. So it's a great option to choose for around the area, especially the crow's feet and also the 11s to help relax the muscle. So actually the microcurrent works even better. And we're actually going to use this T-sonic pulsation to actually pace our tutorial for this week. So make sure you pay attention to the T-sonic pulsation. That is 1, 2, 3. We're going to actually be using this week's T-sonic pulsation to pace our tutorial this week, which I'm going to be showing on the real-time tutorial. For the microcurrent, we're going to be choosing intensity 1, and we're going to be choosing the lifting microcurrent. The lifting microcurrent repeatedly staggers current from low to high frequencies, gently coaxing muscles into natural lifting for a contour look. The combination of the deep tissue massage, T-sonic pulsations, with the lifting microcurrent, it's perfect for lifting the eye, relaxing the crow's feet, and firming this whole area. Now let me show you my results for week 2. And then after that, let's go to the real-time tutorial. From the close-up, you can see that my hoods is lifting more and more each week. And this is the side that I sleep, so it's actually super hard to get this eye more lifted. The other eye, as you can see, is a lot more lifted naturally. And there's more lid space, and there's more firming overall on the eye area. These are some tips to keep in mind before you do the tutorial. To avoid getting your arm tired, you can also put your elbow on the table. Always lift your chin up as if you were doing mascara. And if you have a lot of sagginess on your eyelids, you can also use your hands to lift the sagging skin so you can go all over. Lift for 3 and hold for 3 and just go around the eye, just moving a little bit at a time and moving with the pulsations. That way you are lifting the eye and firming the eye area. So now let's do the real-time tutorial for week 2. So these are the movements and settings that I use for week 2. For this tutorial, I'm using the Smart Control menu, T-sonic pulsation on intensity 1, and I'm using the deep tissue massage. For the microcurrent, I'm using intensity 1, and I'm using the lifting microcurrent option. I use the settings 5 times a week, 3 minutes on each eye. On a fully cleansed face, apply the gel eye area, include your forehead and the under eye as well. To get started, make sure you click the start button. And you're going to hear that the pulsations, there's a cadence of the pulsation on 3. So we're going to go around the eye area on those 3 pulses. Just to wake up the eye area once. And now we're going to use this pulsating to lift the eye. So I'm going to go on the very corner here. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3. Then goes a little bit on the corner. 1, 2, 3, and hold for 1, 2, 3. Now go a little more. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So lift for 3 of the pulsating and hold for 3 of the pulsating. And just go all around the eye area, just moving a little bit of a time so you're covering all the eye area and holding for 3. And this corner here, I'm going to the side like that. 1, 2, 3. And then start from the inside and then go to the outside. So lift for 3 and hold for the 3 pulses. You hit stop and then apply the gel. Press start and then do 1 all around the eye just to wake up the eye. And then start from the corner on 3 and hold on 3.
And that's it.
If you're interested on the FOREO BEAR 2 eyes and lips or any of the FOREO devices, I do have a discount code and I'll leave that in the description box below. And you can get 30% off on top of any sales if you use the discount code until March 31st. And I'm always going to be sharing any discount codes that I get on the description box below with my affiliate link. So always make sure to check the description box below for the best deals. And make sure to tune in next week for week 3 results and also a FOREO time tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.